Heading into day 3 of our Florida motorcycle adventure, the rain continued. With Betty and Black Mamba tucked snugly under their speed metal covers, we grabbed our umbrellas and jumped in the car.
It's not raining too hard though. Like, it's not bad. Like, I don't need an umbrella right now.
No, but just in case.
Just in case. It's supposed to get harder later. It's supposed to get up to 3 inches of rain today. Okay, that was not
That's what she said. Take 2.
Clean that lens.
There we go.
Ryan would be disappointed if he didn't have it clean. It's supposed to rain harder later.
But right now it's not too bad.
Not too bad. It's supposed to get up to 3 inches of rain today.
So we are heading to breakfast.
Breakfast. The front porch.
TC's Front Porch. We asked some locals yesterday where the good places to eat were. There were 2 places. One of them was McGuire's. Maybe we'll check that out later. The top suggestion out there for breakfast was TC's Front Porch, and we are supposed to get something called the
bowl.
Andrew's Demise, or I don't know. It was something. Anyway, heading to TC's. TC's Front Porch. Thank you. TC's Front Porch is a dog-friendly restaurant and outdoor cafe located in Navarre, Florida. It's known for its grouper Reuben, fish tacos, chicken wings, and burgers. And for breakfast, just wait and see. So we were told about this place by a few people, and they said we have to get Andrew's something.
Andrew's Hot Mess.
Andrew's Hot Mess, which is what?
It is small biscuits and gravy, scrambled eggs, ham fries, bacon, sausage, and sausage gravy, and cheese.
All right.
Piled together.
I'm doing that.
Andrew's Hot Mess.
Andrew's Hot Mess. Andrew's Hot Mess. What are you doing? I mean, you can try some of mine.
I'm gonna do TC's Big Breakfast.
Looks good. This is Andrew's Hot Mess.
That is definitely a hot mess.
Oh yeah, look at that. I don't even know which side to start on this. Good. This is like when you have a TV dinner and you mix all this stuff together. It's pretty awesome. You want to try some?
No, I got enough here.
And Andrew is the owner's son. He's in the back making this stuff as we speak. So, Andrew's Hot Mess. Delicious. Definitely try it if you're out here in the Navarre area. The restaurant is housed in the oldest commercial building in Navarre. It's over 60 years old. Originally a gas station, it was transformed into a restaurant in 2007. It's our bingo winnings.
It's our bingo winnings from last night. So I'd like to thank the Emerald Beach RV Resort residents for buying us breakfast this morning.
Rainy day at the front porch.
Yeah.
In order to kill some time today, we are gonna go look at RVs. Start thinking about what our next one might be. Woo!
Yeah, lift off.
Windy! This vacation was our first long trip in the RV, and we were starting to make a list of things that would make extended stays a little easier. A little more space in general, more room in the bedroom for changing, more space in the bathroom, and hopefully a second slide out to expand the living area. We had enough of the rainy RV lot, so we headed toward our next stop. The Naval Air Station.
It's pretty cool.
Directions to the real place. You are here. Main gate, closed to the public. Go back here to this big blinking sign that tells you where to go. And follow it to the west gate. So if you go to the Naval Aviation Museum, you have to go to the right gate.
Rain, and more rain. Cavity search number 2.
Really? No comments.
Get the rubber gloves out, Doc.
No comments. We are at the checkpoint to get checked in. That is the car that was in front of us last time too, and they are going to
Be in the wrong spot again.
check him. I don't know. When they put that security thing out and have you pull ahead, I don't know.
Generally not a good sign.
We had to do that too because we were in the wrong place at the other gate and they turned us around. They did the same thing with this guy, so I hope we're in the right lane to go to the museum. I guess we'll find out. We made it through the checkpoint. We are on base and heading towards the museum. The National Aviation Museum in Pensacola is the world's largest national aviation museum. It showcases history and achievements of naval aviation in the United States with more than 4,000 artifacts and over 150 aircraft on display. Here you'll find history of the Navy, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard. The museum is open daily from 9 to 5, except on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Day.
What do you think?
It's cool. It's neat to see the evolution of the first planes made for water. They had one over there, the first types of planes that would leave from a boat, and it was a platform on top of the gunning turrets on a battleship that it launched from. So it's kind of cool to see how far it's come.
Yeah, there, Heather, you on the moon?
One small step for man, one giant step for mankind.
A giant leap for mankind. Get your history straight. I mean, if you have kids,
Coming to this would be
cool.
Kinda. I mean, like, I remember coming as a kid and I wasn't entirely thrilled going to air museums.
Yeah.
My brothers were more thrilled. I mean, I'm like, oh, cool planes. Like, it's cool.
It's very cool.
But as an adult, I like to read the history things more. And as a kid, I didn't want to read that stuff. It was cool.
It's cool.
Yep, definitely would recommend.
It was, yeah. If you're coming down here to Pensacola area,
Come check it out.
Yeah, come.
It's free, donations accepted, and there's just a lot of history to read up on and see. Very interesting. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Now heading back to the camp.
Yeah, we'll do something. Figure something out.
We are braving the rain, and our next stop.
Hey, honey,
Yeah,
there's no steps here.
there's no steps here, so I'm not gonna bite it on the way out. It does look pretty slick in the rain, though. All right, let's check it out. Andy D's. All right, looks good. Andy D's on Navarre Beach has a cute, family-friendly atmosphere with bright colors, murals, and local artwork. They use fresh, locally sourced ingredients and have a wide selection to choose from. They have a huge outdoor seating area and live music most days. Next trip, we'll have to catch them on a sunny day. Oh, it's still raining.
Careful, it might be slippery. Last time you were filming walking out of a restaurant, you took a digger.
I'm gonna film it, I'm gonna look down.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Pulled pork sandwich was amazing.
I had the red fish, delicious. Not my top restaurant of the weekend, but the food was good.
Beautiful outside. It is gorgeous.
I'm so cold.
It's probably warmer back home. Is it warmer here or is it warmer at home? What's your
Okay.
answer?
Warmer at home. Really?
By 1 degree.
Oh.
It's 57 degrees back home and sunny. The real feel is 58. So today here we are at 58 with a real feel of 52 and raining and sideways wind. We also have a high surf warning, coastal flood advisory, wind advisory, rip current advisory.
So the temperature at home is 1 degree warmer, but the rest of the conditions are way better.
Yes, so 9 to 11 foot waves right now here, which is cool. We're actually gonna go over and go over by the Juanas.
And check out some kite surfers we saw over there.
All right, let's go.
Let's check it out.